In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a slow or laggy Samsung TV. Now, if you have a slightly different model of Samsung TV than mine, that's still okay. This is going to work with every single model of Samsung TV, no matter if you have this controller, a slightly different one, or maybe the actual TV model itself is slightly different. So to go ahead and actually get into this process is very simple. The first thing we need to do is go ahead and click on the home button here. Now, once we've clicked on the home button, we want to go over to the left-hand side. We're going to scroll all the way down to where it says settings. From there, we're going to go across and click on all settings. And it's going to bring up a page that looks like this. What we want to do is we want to scroll to the bottom here to where it says support. Now, once we're in support, we want to go over here to where it says software update. Now, on my specific TV, this is not available just because there are some limitations on this TV. But on your TV, this software update button should be available. And what you want to do is go ahead and click on it, and that will allow you to actually update the software on the TV, which will mean all the different bugs that you might have on the TV or the things slowing it down should be fixed by this one error. So you can go ahead, click on the software update button, let it update, even turn it off and on, restart it once you've done that, because just to allow it to, launch back in the right software. And that should fix any slowness, any kind of bugs or any issues that you have with your Samsung TV. If you found this video useful, be sure to go down below and like and subscribe. Let me know if it did help, give me a comment. And if you have any other questions or any other videos you'd like me to make about Samsung, then go ahead and tell me down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.